Welcome to Kusum.net. This is ASP.NET MVC tutorial and you are watching part 100. What if CDN is down? Before watching this video, please watch my previous parts, part 97, 98 and 99. In part 99, I was explaining about what is CDN, Content Delivery Network. Let's begin with what if CDN is down. Means if the internet connection is closed, then what happened? So there are several benefits of referencing a resource from a CDN. We discussed this in part 99 of ASP.NET MVC tutorial. So please watch previous part 99 before continuing this tutorial. A CDN is an external resource and beyond our control. So what if CDN is down? How can we fall back from CDN to use local copy of jQuery? Okay. If your version of ASP.NET is MVC4, then you will use this code if CDN is down. Otherwise, you will use more if your version of ASP.NET MVC more than 4.0, then you will use just the local copy of your jQuery file from your server, right? So let's flip to the Visual Studio and check how to do it. Presently, my internet connection is on and I have this script file with CDN library, okay, CDN key, and this program is working now well because my internet connection is on. Let's check, is it really working? Okay, all right, the program is running now and let's check add to simple program. Yes, it's working. For 3 it is odd. Okay, so this program is working well. Now if I close the internet connection, let's disconnect internet. Okay, and let's now refresh the page and check it again. Please, it's working. Why it's working? Because there is caching available inside of the history. So let's check history and delete from there the caching history. Clear browsing data. Let's this cache image is cleared now. Okay, I have cleared that. Now refresh your application and let's check. Now it's not working. The internet connection is gone and the application is not working. Okay, so there is one solution. You will put here that code. If the connection is down, then this script will work, whichever I have defined here. Okay, so let's write that script. So script type equal to text or JavaScript, text or JavaScript. Okay, and inside of that we will provide the jQuery. So window dot jQuery if not available, right? Or you can see here this one document dot write, right? So let's write document dot write. Inside of that provide the script, this script. Okay, script, and here you will provide as source equal to the source tilde sign script folder scripts folder and the name of the jQuery file, or you can just drag and drop, and you can see here the path of this script. So scripts jQuery 110.2.js, 110.2.js. Okay, so this, and in place of this closing bracket tag, I will provide hexadecimal, means x3c. Okay, this x3c, and this one forward backslash here. Okay, this. So when your internet connection is off, then this will disable, and after that this will check the jQuery from this your local server, and it will work, right? So let's delete this. Okay, and let's run it again. Now I am going to run my application. Control Shift R, refresh the page. Okay, and add the numbers to, click on button. It's not working. Why it's not working? Press F12 and check why it's not working. Fail to load resource in error internet. It's for internet connection is off, and this 404 also because of the internet. But this third one is uncaught reference error. Dollar is not defined. This means this script, whichever use for CDN down, is not working. Why not working? Let's check. Yes, because I am using MVC 5.0, more than MVC 5.0 version for this ASP.NET application, and this script is used for MVC 4.0, okay, or laser version. So I am using 5.6 version in this application. So let's comment it or delete it. So to comment it, what I will do, Control K C. So this will not work, and in place of that I will just use that drag and drop of from local server, this jQuery 110.2.js here, and let's now check it. Okay, this is CDN, and if it not work, if the internet is closed, then this jQuery file will be run and program will be run. So let's save it and check. Control Shift R to refresh the page. Okay, let's press to click on submit button. It's working now, right? If I put this local version of the jQuery file after this programming script, then it will not work. Let's refresh the page. Control Shift R, and let's add the number. You can see not working, right? So it's meaning that you must have to put the script in order. Okay, if this not work, then this work, and after that you will run your programming script. Okay, now save it and check whether it's working or not. Control Shift R, press. Okay, it's working. So number of order is exactly whatever need. First script file, then programming script, like that. Okay, so this is the end of this video session. So thank you for listening my video. If you like this video, please subscribe it, share it, and like it. Thank you. Have a great day.